Hey viewers, let's do I Saw Red Guitar Lesson by Warrant. I'll talk you slowly through all the guitar parts and do the solos at the end, all with on-screen tab to make it easier to follow along. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So I'm going to start on the C add 9 chord, play the 3rd fret on the A and the open D string and hammer onto the 2nd fret on the D string. Then play open G, 3rd fret B, 3rd fret E, back to B, then go 2nd fret on the E, 3rd fret on the B, 3rd fret on the E, 3rd fret on the B. Then we play the open E string, 2nd fret on the D string, open G, 3rd fret B, 3rd fret E, go back to the B, E, B, and then go 2nd fret on the E, 3rd fret on the B, 3rd fret on the E, 3rd fret on the B. Then just play a D chord, strum it, do 3, pull off the 2 on the E string, play B, G, and then just do 2nd fret hammer onto the 3rd on the E, play the B and the G string, and then go back to the C add 9, play the 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, 3rd fret and 3rd fret, and then just strum it once and do an up strum there. So, and that's our intro. Let's play that one more time. Then we have the verse, which we don't play, and then we have the pre-chorus. The acoustic guitar kicks back in, and we have an E minor 7, so we're going to play it as an open, 2nd fret, open, 3rd fret and 3rd fret, and just a down, 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 an A7 sus4, down, 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 C add 9, down, 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 and to a G, down, 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 and do that 2 times for the pre-chorus there. So. Then from there we have the chorus, and we'll look at the acoustic guitar first, then we'll do the heavy guitar after that. So we're just starting on an E minor, we play down to the G, and then to the D, to the C for half a bar, and we repeat that twice, so we have. From there we go to E minor, half a bar, A and do a full bar, C half a bar, E minor for half a bar, A for a bar, then go to C add 9 and we're going to do a bar and a half here. D for half a bar, G for a bar, C add 9 for half a bar, D for half a bar, C for a bar, E minor for a bar, D for a bar, and do C for a 3 count there. 2, 3. So let me play that through for you now. guitar for the chorus. Now let's have a look at the heavy guitar. So for our heavy guitar in the chorus, we do a slide, and then just the E power chord, play a G, and then the D power chord and hold for 4, 2, 3, 4, to a C power chord which we hold for 2, and then repeat that again without the slide. E, G, D, 2, 3, 4, and C. Go back to E for 2, A for 4, 2, 3, 4, C for 2, E for 2, and A for 4, 3, 4. Then the acoustic keeps playing, and then when it goes back to the C for 4, E minor for 4, D for 4, and the C add 9, we just play the power chords with it. C, 3, 4, E, 3, 4, D, 3, and C, 3, 4. And that's a chorus there, so let's play that through. And that's a heavy part for the chorus there. Then from there we go back to the verse, which we're not playing, back to the pre-chorus, which we do the same as before, and then back to the chorus again, which we do the same again. And that's it for the acoustic guitar there. Then we have the build up for the solo, so let's play that. And that's our solo rhythm there. So we're just starting on a C power chord, hold for 2, 2, and then on the third count play it again and stop. Do a slide, go back to the C power chord and just do 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, do it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then play D, E, slide down, and then just do an E power chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then play the E power chord coming up the neck once to the D power chord, and then do our 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the D, then play D again to C, and then do our 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a little run there on the A string, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, end on 3 on the E, and then jump up to 5 on the D, and then just repeat from our C where we're doing down, up again. So C, then D, E, and our E, E, D, and our D, C, then do our run down again, and don't add that last 5 in there, and that's our solo rhythm there. Then from there we're just going back to the chorus, so we have E, G and D, 2, 3, 4 to C for 2, do that again, E, G, D, 2, 3, 4 to C, and then E for 2, A for 4, 2, 3, 4 to C for 2, E for 2, A for 4, 2, 3, 4. Now this time we go to our C add 9, play 3rd fret, 2nd fret and open, then do an upstroke, and then just play 3B, 3E, so we have, and then we play it again, 3A, open G, open, so 3rd fret B, 3rd fret E, go to D, open D string, G, B, E, and then just play a G chord, and then we're just playing the C add 9 again, 3rd fret on the A, open G, 3rd fret, and back to D. and then finish with your C, E, D, and C. 2, 3, 4. So let me play that last chorus there for you. And that's all the rhythm parts there. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we start on the E string, 10, 12, then go to the A string, 10, 12, 14, D string, 12, G string, 12, 11, jump back to the D string, 14, G, 12, B, 12, E, 12, and hammer onto 14. Then play 14 again, hammer onto 15 on the E, and then just play 13 on the B. And that's the first part of the solo. Then we have the main solo. Let me play that for you, then we'll break it down. So we're going to start with the bend on the B string 10th fret, and then just play 10, pull off the 8, pull off the 7, and then do a bend again on the 10. Then slide up to 12B, play 12E, 14E, do a half bend on 14E, pull off from 14 to 12 on the E, and then 12 on the B, come in with your bar. Then we play E string, 14, hammer onto 15, pull off to 14, back to 17, and then we have this quick little run which we repeat. E string, 14, 15, 17, pull off to 15, pull off to 14, play 17 on the B, and we do that 4 times. Then we have this run down. E string, 15, 12, 14, 15, 14, 12, jump to the B string, 15, 12, 15, 12, to the G string, 14, 12, 11, 12, 14, back to the B string, 12, 13, 15, 13, 12, back to the G string, 14, 12, 11, to the D string, 14, 12, 10, 12, 14, back to the G string and legato here, 11, hammer onto 12, hammer onto 14, pull off to 12, pull off to 11, and finish on the 12 D, and that's our solo there. Let's play that again. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed I Saw Red Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.